have my family member medicine and my heart tell me say my family member still alive. I am going to do videos for appealing. I'm going to ask the public to, if you don't see something, say something. I will be flat foot out there searching. But if you say your nephew will live with you for 7 years, is still alive, and all you can do with your big, always worthless crocodile self, sit down with a tough crocodile looking face. Go on here, you know, look.
Still alive.
Yes. Alright, so if him still alive, me no feel say him in the perimeter there. Me no feel say him in the perimeter there. Me feel say
Well, I would say the same thing say in Manchester.
me feel say them take night because we can lick his head with some bigger man, you know, cause if them find out say intellect and him can read, you know what scamming thing I go on here now, then we use it for them secretary. You see? So if the big man them catch him, then we have him in one different district or in a different parish, lock him up, them go shop him, them feed him and hide him off. You see?
Yeah.
That was one video what me did make. So when you go on one download page, me only assuming. Don't use nothing against me because a lot of people assume and I say who do this or no that. So don't use
when me delete TikTok and Facebook off of my phone because me tired of the crap that is being sent.
No, you shouldn't. You should have this.
Because here, it is burdening me down because of what I.
Then that's why I tell you, that is the reason why you hear me make the speech before me play him, you know. Because a whole heap of people probably don't even listen to him. But let me tell you something. One of the most silly, stupidest thing what we personally not take. Because I hear me say him within gimmicks. Because to me it sound like a gimmicks, you know. It sound like a pure gimmicks. But he still manage to use the gimmicks and jag her out. Because that's how we find out, say the police and carry the body that got the head now. Because through none of them interview, they have not carried one time say the police carry body dog out there. And if a police will carry a body dog to your yard, it's because they believe they want to do something to him. You understand where I come from? That's why police now just come tell me say, oh, this thing if you carry police dog on the way. You get where I come from? So yes, it sounds like gimmicks. Now, listen. Guys, I listen to these things at time upon time, you know. You hear me? I tell you, I listen to them back and forth. And one of the things I want in this, I get this. I get a rotted one in this, I don't know what that one in the final. You know, so it look like somebody I try get on the page. Hold on, the guys, let me see if I can change it. Somebody I try pull them luck with me, you know. Yeah, change the one there. I don't know what I go on this, but I don't want in the look one. Anyway, what me I try to say is this. When I listen to the interview here and I listen to it and I said, you know, say something in it is the youth, even though sound such as a gimmick, there's something in it that you can listen to. And when we realize that in Jagger Road, you come talk about the body dog, them. Yeah, him Jagger Road, come talk about the body dog. And that is significant because let me tell you something. No police nah just get up and carry body dog come here yard and search. Prophetess, big up yourself.
Because here, it is burdening me down because of what I hear people saying to me like I'm this wicked and cruel person.
No,
if I was a wicked and cruel person, I would not have taken Jayden in. I've raised different kids. Shani came home from school one day. Shani came home from school one day. I was explaining to me she was going to high school and she have a friend that she's not being comfortable where she is. And I took that girl in and finished her. She finished high school and she left high school with 9 CXC subject and she was living with me.
Mama, one day, when you say you buck Jayden certain place, like the word the buck, when you buck him certain place, did you just say, all right, come with me, we're going home? Or you leave him alone, you buck him certain place?
No, I carry him home. I carry him home.
I'm telling you something. You see this guy here? I don't think that even him himself know what him a do and how him a do it. Because let me tell you something. As Mr. T say, you have proof. And you see the 2 times when the auntie say, she bucked Jayden, she never bucked Jayden. You hear me? I tell you, she did not buck Jayden. No way. I lie, she tell you, she pick up Jayden. You hear me? She pick up Jayden. She and Peter was coming from Spiritual Hill when the both of them pick up Jayden. And when we get that the information there, and we hear the guy here, we don't know Kim. We don't know. That's what we're trying to figure out or find out. And when I get that information and I listen to this guy here, the truth it is. But somebody give me an information the other day that he now thinks these people might have something to do with his son, because why the whole of them disappear like that? That is something that I heard he said, but that is allegedly, because I don't think there's no way for me to confirm that he said it. Yeah, I don't think there's a way or we can actually confirm that, but I was told that is what was one of his words said. He said, look, let them do something to him, pick me for true, because why do one of them run away? That's what I heard allegedly he's supposed to have said. And I said to myself, well, if that's what he said, that's good, because meaning he's seen the light. And you have to also remember that that's his twin sister. So it's just depending on who you are as an individual, if you're going to choose your twin sister over your child. You understand? So I don't know, but I think they are all wicked. I still think that they are all pagans. I still think that they are all pirates. That's me and my opinion. Because let me tell you something. There is no way on this earth that you should lose a loved one and just sit down with your finger in your mouth like nothing happened. Should never be the case. So I think he's a pagan. Yeah. There's not one of them what me can say. I would have said, oh, that one day can give that one a break, not one of them. And the lie, they're savages. And they repeated back and forth lie. They repeated back and forth lie. They repeat, and guys, this is what I don't understand. I hear these things that they're saying, and they cannot stress them out. Heartbroken, big up yourself. I feel like these police should be stressing them out left, right, and center. Understand? They should be stressing these people out left, right, and center. So we just don't understand what's going on. Because even simple like today, so look what there, so I can show you. The auntie said she phoned the older brother. Now, if the auntie was in the car with Mr. T, because I'm not gonna lie, just like the person who said it, that's the same thing I believe as well. I believe it was Ann and Demar in the car. But if Ann and Demar in the car, and Mr. T said pick up the brother and the father. Remember I said pick up the older brother and the father. Then how? What Anna gonna do? Stay in that car for the brother in that car? Really? Really? Guys, let me tell you right now. The only thing we see we can do right now for help ourselves is the PI, and hopefully the PI can answer the question that we have and we go to the police and with it. You know? Because these people, we know so them them people look like some set of people them will rather for cut off them nose and spoil their face. Okay, you can see them at the down that road. Me and a lot of people, I know a lot of people on the For You page, in the live, they're not going to agree with me. You know, so enough of them not going to agree with me. But that's a life journey. We just feel like at this present stage right now, we take any one of them head for the black right now. Any one of them head, we will take for the black right now. You hear me, I tell you? We just feel like, say, and the first me ever feel like, say, any one of them the police go for right now, we are okay with it. Mr. T, we will take Mr. T. Crocodile, everybody knows me that I take crocodile. Jazz, what go on? Jazz. The hyena, we take the hyena. The brother, them are any one of them we take. Right now, to walk on, how me feel. Because the arrogance of these people, their silence is so loud. Their silence is so loud. Their silence cannot be any louder. Their silence is deafening. And you are going to tell me, say, somebody, a child where you have, right? We are look after for 7 years. And you don't feel like, say, you can have little emotion or little feelings. Pretend. That's the road I'm looking for AV. You not tell me, say, you can't come pretend. You don't come pretend, no man. Come pretend. Ah, Jesus. No man, people, if you're heartless, I'm cold, man, but no so.
Serious in the country.
Serious up here, John.
Two times.
Alright, so Jayden room. Does Jayden have a room where he can lock off himself and when he come in,
No, because nobody, not even my bedroom door I don't close.
No, he have other way like he can come out of the house and lock off himself. That way he have other way he can come in the house.
Once any of the doors them open, we can know that the door open.
Okay.
Mommy, I have a
question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Angel.
The street that your daughter said that they said they saw a man close to the taxi stand. Is it a dangerous?
It's not close to the taxi stand.
Is it a dangerous area?
It's a little bit dangerous because what? It's a lonely road. Person hardly even travel that road unless they are driving. Because one, it doesn't have like a sidewalk for you to walk. So if you are walking on that piece of road, you have to get way up in the bush because two people can hardly drive on that road.
Oh, so it's a lonely road, like.
Yeah, it's like a lonely road. So only persons that really have cars that would normally go on that road.
Occasion on that road.
Occasion, right? Because you hardly even see taxi driver on that road. Only persons that have their own vehicle.
Before we go, Mama, have the police been keeping a close relationship with you from that thing happened?
Come here.
Well, yes, the detective and the officer.
Listen, me hear something look wild. Me I go play it back. Me hear something look wild. Me hear something look wild. I go play it and see if you can pick it up and tell me what I think.
The officer that is in charge really have lonely road. Persons hardly even travel that road unless they are driving. Because one, it doesn't have like a sidewalk for you to walk. So if you are walking on that piece of road, you have to get way up in the bush because two people can hardly drive.
John. Conference up here, John.
Two times.
Alright, so Jayden room. Does Jayden have a room
Listen,
where he
yes,
can
sir.
lock off
Listen, yes, sir.
himself and when he come in,
No, because nobody, not even my bedroom door I don't close.
No, he have other way like he can come out of the house and lock off. He said that way. He have other way he can come into the house.
Once any of the doors them open, we can know that the door open.
Okay.
Oh, no, because nobody, not even my bedroom door I don't close.
No, he have other way like he can come out of the house and lock off. He said that way. He have other way he can come into the house.
Once any of the doors them open, we can know that the door open.
What do you think about that sentence there? Let me see if anybody in here, if you not think like me or you not think with me. What you not think what she just said look while? You know why I play it again? There's a rumor been going around, you know. There's a rumor that's been going around, right? Hold on, let me read in the comment one. Hold on. There's a rumor been going around, and I'm gonna play a clip again for Uno. Listen to the clip and tell me if you can pick up nothing outside.
And lock off. He said that way.
when him come in,
No, because nobody, not even my bedroom door I don't close.
No, he have other way like he can come out of the house and lock off. He said that way. He have other way he can come into the house.
Once any of the doors them open, we can know that the door open.
Okay.
No, pick you up. You know what I'm telling you? I just pick up from a little while. And over there, so I go through look water. Silver Fox. I feel like she just confirm. Yes. I feel like she just confirmed the camera in the yard. I don't think it's an alarm. I think it's a camera room, as she just confirmed. Yeah, I think she just confirmed the camera room in the house. Anybody will have a camera in the house know that. So this lady has just confirmed that there's a camera in them house. How else you can know if any door on your house open? No, them not. Me not think them have no alarm on the house. A camera system. Camera. right now, me know a person will have camera in the back garden, camera at the front door, right now. And anytime somebody moves in that lady house, she can tell her. Anytime when I do them move, she can tell her. And I feel like this woman here just, Natalie, good morning. I feel like she just confirmed to John Public that they have camera in the house. And it took me 4 months to pick up this part of the interview. 4 months. And I got to throw some more juice again. Because I look like when I throw the juice, my brain open up. I got to throw some more juice again.
We have other way like he can come out of the house and lock off his. That way, we have other way we can come into the house.
Once any of the doors them open, we can know that the door open.
Okay.
Let me tell you something. No matter if he is Martin Luther King, unless the door them have something we can trigger it. So there. You have camera in your house. You can't tell when the door they're open. Can you tell when the door they're open? No, but on a serious note, right? You don't believe, say this lady just confirm the camera rumor. And she said, that mean to say all our eye in a picnic can tell too. Because Sonia and the whole of your kids them, Uncle me alone no have Sonia camera on my phone, you know. A matter of fact, send the camera, send the login details to me there, please, and thanks, ma'am. Let me see if me have them. No, on a serious note, I me alone don't have a camera on my phone. The whole of the kids them have just me alone on the phone. But she can tell when everybody any door in our back garden, the front garden. You understand where I come from? So where she gonna say that everybody, she can know when the door them open.
Other way like he can come out of the house and lock off his. That way, we have other way we can come into the house.
Once any of the doors them open, we can know that the door open.
What she said?
Okay.
What she just said a while? She said once any of the door them open, we can know say the door them open. We mean she and her are all eyeing a picnic. Aye. Let me tell you something, Tia. You say if you did that closer to me shake it 2 until them broke. And this is